Once again, giving you updates on airdrops. So memefi is one game you have to take serious because the pre-market has already started on some exchanges. Okay, and a lot of people are saying a lot of things that for you to get more results or more rewards, you have to have gone far in your level. And this video is just to show you one trick that can help you, okay, to defeat these bad guys, okay, faster. You see this is the key. I gonna say this is the easiest way to defeat any boss, but you need to have a lot of this. Now, how do you generate this? You generate it from these activities. Now you can buy them. That is, if you have 500 stars, you can buy up to 500 of this particular item, or you can do an on-chain task and you get 100, okay, or you watch these videos, okay, and get, like you can see, for each video there is 10, okay, for each of these video tasks there is 10, 10, 10. So you can watch all these videos and accumulate a lot. Now when you accumulate a lot of this item, okay, what you will do is this: click on the item, okay, click here, okay, click there. It opens up to this place. Now pay attention here, okay. Now you can set this to spin 2 times, spin 3 times, spin 4 times, 5 times, okay. Now there is auto spin, and there is this option that enables you to spin multiple times, okay, or you can spin 10 times, 50 times, 150 times. Are you gonna say? So the highest is 150 times, so we're going to do 5 times. So if we click this, it spins 5 times and gives us reward, okay. Now I hope you pay the attention to where the enemy I'm fighting is, which is the 4 million, okay, 4 million lives or whatever it is, or the gauge is just 4 million, okay. So I set this to 5 and I click spin, okay. I click spin again, okay. So it's giving me rewards, more coins, okay, okay, all right. So sometimes it gives me that energy bolt that enables me to be able to do these spins. So by doing this, you can easily generate a lot of coins, potions, money, damage to the bad guy that you're fighting, okay. So I just want to exhaust this, so let's do this fast so that you guys stay with me through this video so you see this, okay. All right, we're at 44, okay. Let's keep going, okay. So this is one of the smartest way you can play this game and deal damage on the bad guy, get coins, get potions. Are you get what I'm saying? So it's finished, okay. So how many do I have? I have 9. I can decide to go like spin 1 or spin 2. Let's do spin 2 times, okay. Okay, spin 2 times. All right, so it's finished, okay. It's finished. Let's go back. You can see the damage I did to the boss, or to this guy, and it brought it down from 4 million to 3 million, and now 3,960,000 points. So this is how you can, by generating this, okay, by generating this, you can use it to spin and get damages that will affect this guy and save you time from tapping, okay. All right guys, that's for this video. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Take care and bye for now.